Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6. This is the T560 model, and today is a good day. I've actually found Android 7.1 custom ROM that works well with this T560 model. The development for this ROM was developed for the T561 model, but I've tried it on here and it works perfectly fine. The only difference with the T560 and the T561 model is with the T561 you can make calls, with the T560 you can't make calls. So that's why you see this little dialer here. And you'll notice on the T560 you won't have this, that's because you can't make calls. So far everything seems to be working great. So I'm just going to go into the settings and give you all a little look around. So about tablet, Android 7.1.2 and this is Lineage OS, and the device model, it says T561. Like I says, this was developed for the T561 model, but this tablet is indeed the T560. So let's just tap on that N. Yeah, so this is Android 7.1 Nougat. Okay, so Play Store works. And these are all the applications. I flashed the Android 7.1 Pico G apps, so you don't really get much Google apps. But if you want more Google apps, just go to the Play Store and just download them from there. I like to keep the ROM light. Okay, so the camera's working as well. Let's just... Okay, let's just take a picture. Okay, so as you can see, it takes pictures perfectly well. And also video recording works. So let's just press record. And now let's watch back the video. So as you can see, it records perfectly well as well, and the picture quality is really good. It records in 720p just like the stock ROM. And these are all, see, here's the video quality settings. So 720p. You've also got 480p and QVGA. So it's the same recording quality just like on the stock ROM. And these are the wallpapers. And these are all the widgets that come with this 7.1. So the ROM itself feels very snappy, nice and smooth. Battery life seems okay, but I'm gonna have to test it a bit more. I've been using it since last night, but I'm gonna test it for the next couple of days and see exactly how good it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna run a benchmark test. When I was running Android 4.4.4 KitKat and I ran the benchmark test, I scored 18,692. So I'm going to run the Antutu Benchmark and see if there's any boost in performance. I will leave a link to that benchmark, what I did when I first got the tablet running KitKat. I'll leave the video in the description down below. You can check out the score for yourself. Okay, so let's just run this test. Okay, so this test is going to take a while. It's got quite a few things to test out. So it's finished testing the GPU there, the 3D game performance. So now it's testing the memory performance, and then it's going to test the CPU and then the UX. And it's currently at 62%. Okay, so the memory performance is now complete. So we're testing the CPU performance. Okay, so the CPU performance is done, so we're testing the last thing, which is the UX, the user experience performance, and we're at 80%. Okay, so the result is in. So like I says, when I was running stock Android 4.4.4 KitKat, when I first got the tablet and I ran the benchmark using the same application Antutu, I scored 18,692. So there's a slight improvement in the performance score here, because I've now scored 19,188. So here's the CPU score, 7,855. The GPU score, 0. I'm not sure why it says 0 there. The UX score, 8,978, and the memory score, 2,355. So yeah, there's a slight improvement with that score there over the stock Android 4.4.4. So yeah, this was my video just taking a look at the Android 7.1.2 custom ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Tab E. If you want to see a full tutorial on how to install this onto your Galaxy Tab, I will be doing a tutorial video. So once I've finished it, I will link it to this video. You can find it in the description down below. I'll link it in the description. Check out that video, and then you can install this onto your tablet. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.